I plugged my business into AI hybrid chatbots. They're now handling my customer inquiries, tracking inventory, and offering them personalized product recommendations. Now I finally dug myself out of the stockroom, and I'm the face of my brand.
I plugged my department into AI-powered transport logistics. It optimized our supply chain, improving our routes by analyzing weather patterns and traffic conditions. And now, I finally have a seat at the table.
I plugged my campaign into AI content generation, automating my daily social media posts and performing engagement analysis. It had an impact on my audience and created traction. And now I finally found the winning message.
I plugged myself into AI, collaborating with it to explore new genres, generating unique compositions, and expanding my creative boundaries. And now, I finally changed my world.